Nyimirami kang'o momiyo nyimirami? Oma oloro keta gi tich matek bwana. Omera Lwanda ogere gine wamake kaka jogo. Waring'e ni wamanya manya gik monya sim manya kang' irom godo e mtandao YouTube. Adong nyaka I have to show them vile hii ukuta imejengwa juu ya hii mwamba bwana. So those with such kind of a land thinking that it is useless. Okay. Just look how the wall has been erected all over, and look at the place. Look at the I'm just giving you an overview of the place. This is a beautiful point in Kitui. So I'm in Kitui right now, and I'm done with the project that took me around. And let me just show you guys. This is how this home has been built on top of a rocky, or on top of the rock. This is the whole rock, the entire rock, and a very perimeter wall, very big perimeter wall all around on top of the same rock. So you can imagine and understand. For those who knows, look at this. This is the rock that still extends to another. You see? And that's some beautiful part of Kitui. I think you can just see that. And this is a plot of land for other people. Very decent, very much interesting on how you can handle this. And I hope you can see. This makes the best and the strongest foundation ever that we've gonna have. And just look, it's still rocky, and people are planning having massive plans. And you see, very beautiful fences. Look at how the big home has been erected here, from the other side. How and how possible do you think this is gonna be? You can understand.